Alright guys, Christmas has came. Bree got me a floor jack that I needed because I want one inside my car. Now I got one. I guess I'll show you guys quite a bit what I got, but so far I got this, and her grandpa also got me a toolbox, so definitely big upgrades for my car in case I ever pop a flat or anything. But yeah, dubs on that. And Merry Christmas, even though it's already passed by now. But yeah, I'll show you the rest of what I got, and once this is set up, I'll show you guys as well. All right guys, I broke the fucking jack. I don't know how. No, I'm kidding, I do know why. Basically there's like a little plastic piece that prevents it from like pumping up. You know how you gotta use that pole to pump it down for it in order for it to go up. There's a little plastic piece that I didn't even notice that it was on the jack. And when I tried pumping it, I was like, why isn't it not going up? And I kept trying and trying, like, what the heck? And then I finally looked closer, and there's a little plastic piece right there that prevents it from going up. I was like, why the fuck do they have that? And at the same time, why didn't I think? And I didn't think. So I took it off, and then I check in the little hole. I take out the pipe, I check in the little hole, and it's supposed to be centered, I guess, this little thing, but it's like now more bent to the left side. And so I put it on, and I try to put the jack down like how you're normally supposed to, and it wasn't working at all either. It wasn't even like, it wasn't going down at all. So I messed that up too. But good thing my girlfriend has warranty for this jack, so I'm gonna go back to Harbor Freight and hopefully get a new one. And I was already planning to put stickers on it, but I messed up. I didn't think, but yeah, I'm gonna go get that, and I'll see you guys when I get the new jack again. So it turns out it ended up working. I just had to mess with this, which I'm done, but we got it working now. It's fine. And I'm gonna throw on some stickers, but yeah. All right, so since I'm in my room, this is the new tool bag I got from my girlfriend's grandpa, and I got a socket set, a little mini one that my girl had got me, Pittsburgh as well. There it is. I'm gonna throw on these stickers and I'll show you guys in a bit. And then I also got a tape measure. He bought that as well. And then a headlamp, definitely need that. These were already mine, these Temu lights. This was mine as well. And also, my girl got me these zip ties. I left them right here in the little bag. But it's a pretty cool tool bag, you know. And then my girl also got me this one that I've been wanting. And then her mom got me these. And then her mom's boyfriend got me that as well. But that's pretty much it, I believe so. Yeah. For the main part, that's all I got.
I'm trying to keep everybody happy, but I just end up. And Lord knows that I'm blessed, but sometimes the dirt touch per all the earth just to put them on the shirt.
Nah, it doesn't sound loud
Nah?
on camera.
We'll see. Well, for my reaction, it's already warm. How did I not record this? Alright, I'm gonna record it again. Oh shit. Pop it. Oh shit. Fuck, man, this shit's loud as fuck.
It's just a little loud.
Nah, that's not little. That's not fucking little, dog. Oh shit. This is insanely loud. This shit's crazy. Ain't no way. Damn.
Loud, bro.
Make it pop right here, Estevans. Ain't no way. Damn. This is crazy.
It's not that loud, dude.
Yes, it is, bro.
You're overhyping it.
No, nah, bro. This is louder than those sways, no cap. This is sick, though. Damn, bro. How's it feel? Huh?
Sounds quiet.
Nah, this is Brandon's M340i. He put the downpipes finally. It was well worth it.
Yeah.
Christmas came early.
Took a whole month to get shit.
For shit. Nah, I'm hyped for this. Shit's sick.